everyone. Oh, it's broken. Oh, I'm unable to break what it shows. My dear friends, united is strength. My honorable judges, respected principal man, teachers, and my dear friends. Me Kashika Sharma of Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School Old Police Line Patiala in 9B Standard. Today, I am going to share with you all a public speaking topic, United is Strength. As I said earlier, today my topic is Unity is Strength. This proverb came into being centuries back and it's still used widely. There are some other related proof like union gives strength. Strength lies in union. Strength is in unity and unity. We stand divided we fall. These are proverbs have same meaning, that is togetherness and oneness is a real power. During school time, many moral stories like farmers and his son, their flock of loves touch to us that explain unity is strength so that children became good citizens. So unity is strength means saying united in all situations. It has a great value in all walk of life. The development of our society and country depends of his spirit. India was not an independent country till 1947. British has come to India as traders but ruled for 200 years. The people of the country, when the Indian realized that their freedom from British was a must, that they united and fought against the British. Their unity brought independence to India. This example proves what when we work unified, then we can be success. India is a land of diversity. People of different religions, cultures live their home. They have their different festivals, fashion and lifestyle. Unity is help us to grow. In the end, I would like to ask you that we should think beyond pity. Work united for much brighter goals for the progress in our society and country. Thanks for my listening me on such a beautiful topic. Have a great day.